bitch.
Hey, once you jump off that porch, ain't no going back. Once my pops died, everybody had my back. True. I got a Glock 9, touch me and you getting wet. I'm on the east smoking crud, tell me where you at. Niggas really hoes, I seen it in my eyes. That boy try to run, I'm aiming at his thighs. Don't wanna hear that shit, cause all that is lies. My niggas in your bushes, with them chops under the skies. Niggas said they gon' slide, that's not gon' be good. When I up that big bitch, I'm knocking off they hood. And I'ma shoot the car up, you better hope they good. We finna ride on them niggas, tell them pop the hood. I'm outside with them killers, boy, I wish you would. Freak bitch want my D, yeah, she wish she could. Already hit that bitch, boy, that hoe no good. But go on here, do your thing, I ain't gon' be rude. Freak bitch when it's same. When she saw these blues, she gon' stuff it in her pouch like a kangaroo. You know what time I'm on, I took her to the room. Yeah. Put a nigga in the sky like air balloon. Damn. Still on the ground capping, get some cheese. Skirted off, it was tragic, left the scene. Little bitch, she ran, she done fucked the team. Shot that nigga in the shoulder, made him hit the lean. She like, damn boy, why you act so mean? Bitch, I don't wanna talk, get away from me. Bag finna come in, I can't wait to see. We had to put it in the safe, it wasn't safe to see. But anyway, with a hoe, I'm back up on the road. What you gon' do when the police kick it down your door? What you gon' do when they talking and you got the pole? It's crunch time, fuck around and get that nigga gone. Listen here, man. Hey, it's dripping in this bitch. Yeah.